Hello, welcome to Santuário Lunar. In this video I'm going to do the weekly tarot reading for the third week of December. Before we start, I'd like to tell you about the campaign for Bangu's treatment. It's going on. There's officially 7% there, but it's actually more because coffee sales do not count, and there were many coffee shop sales. So I guess it's around 18, probably 18%. But Bangu passed away last Thursday. His suffering is ending. His suffering has ended. And thank you so much for all the support. I'll continue with the campaign because the debts don't disappear together with his body, unfortunately. I'll continue with it to see where we can make it. But anyway, Bangu found some rest. I was postponing the recording of this video because I cannot stop crying, and I thought now I can make the video because I'm not gonna cry, but it's been really difficult. But tell me, how was your last week? Did you do the things you had to do? Stop thinking so much and finally doing things and not being afraid of changes. Because I remember the reading suggested changes and doing things without thinking so much, without overthinking, because new good things, too many good things were about to happen. And I remember the card of the end of the week was transformation, or the death arcana reversed, fear of change. But we should not be afraid of that because it was necessary for a good reason. So for me it was very fitting. Bangu passed away on Thursday, 6 p.m. And these months of suffering are gone. I confess that I was suffering a lot too. Since March I had no sleep. I was not sleeping properly, not only a single night. And now for 2 nights I was able to sleep. And I have other 2 dogs, and I was not giving them so much attention because I was too focused on Bangu. Now I am with them, walking them again and playing more with them. Anyway, I think it was the best. So let's go for the reading of this week. Tell me in the comments, how was your last week? For the past card of this week, what's going to influence this week is Shang-E reversed. It indicates that in the past, try to remember when, we were not paying attention to our intuition. We were not paying attention to our feelings. We were not listening to ourselves properly. We were focused or not focused on what was important. We were distracted by things that were trying just to distract our mind, trying just to occupy our mind with non-useful things. Distracted with the world, with news, with polemics, I don't know, things that were not so important, but somehow we were just paying attention to them, and this was not good. We left ourselves a bit apart. So this card suggests this. Think about when it was the last time you felt like this, like distracted from yourself, from your inner self, because this distraction comes with a price for this week, but it's something good. This week is very positive too. For the week itself, I have the 5 of Staves reversed, which is an excellent card. This card indicates the unification of all aspects inside ourselves. So unification, understanding what's really important, moving beyond what is necessary, moving beyond things, and finally being able to accomplish what we want. So whatever it is that you really want, and it has to do only with yourself, only with your own power, with your own knowledge, now it's the time to fulfill that. Now is the time to understand this integration of all your aspects, of everything you know you master. This is the week for this. So the contemplation card, a card in the past, indicates that we were neglecting this, but now we are recovering this, and this recovery is coming at full strength, let's say like this. all our aspects together. By the end of the week, we have the Ten of Swords, which is one of the best cards here. It's really, really good. It indicates that we understand, or we are going to understand, everything we need. We are going to master everything we need to master. We are going to be really, really ready for everything we have to do, for everything we have to experience in a positive way. So this week is the week of unification of our things, of our aspects, of our feelings, because by the end of the week we will have all this understanding that is necessary to move on, to change, to do what we want, to manifest what we want, to live the life we want, and all these positive things. So enjoy this week as a week of learning too, because when we unify these aspects inside ourselves, we get more learning, more understanding. And this is fundamental for this week. And the Ten of Swords by the end of the week indicates this, the pure understanding of things. So enjoy this week of understanding and learning, because we tend to improve our lives in a dramatic way. So this is the beginning. And the Advice card, it's a great card too. It's Gianna and the Moon. And Gianna and the Moon card indicates support. Support from people who truly care for us. Support from people who are really close to us. And also indicates that everything, or every kind of energy, or every kind of power is going to support us too, and give us strength, and give us wisdom, and help us to achieve what we want. As this card is in the Advice position, it suggests that we need to be ready to accept this support. So if you notice someone is trying to help you, if you noticed some kind of energy or anything else that you notice that is trying to get close to you, to help you, accept that. Be thankful for that. Be open to receive help. Be open to receive support. And also, if you can support others, they will also be open to receive your support. So this is a great week for all of us. I hope you had a great week last week too. And that's it. Thank you so much, and see you next week.